Hello everyone, it is May 21st, a beautiful Thursday that turned into a pretty cloudy Thursday. It's also my birthday, May 21st, 1991, just turned 29. Decided I was going to go to one of my favorite parts of Colorado so far, and that is Golden, Colorado. So I'll show where I am on the map. About 5 miles out from downtown Golden. It was founded as part of the Colorado Gold Rush, the Pikes Peak Gold Rush. 1858, 1859. It's one of those mining towns that lies right on the foothills, sort of the last flat space before you get into the Rocky Mountains. That's how they refer to it. So Golden actually was the county seat, or rather is the county seat of Jefferson County, but it was more than that. It was the territorial capital when Colorado became a territory in, I believe, 1861. It became the capital in 1862. And it stayed the capital until 1867, when it was battling Denver for supremacy. So I'll put it up on the screen here. There were two railroads, one out of Denver, one out of Golden, and they competed to see which one could connect to Cheyenne, Wyoming, out from the east to transport gold and cargo and other things both in and out. And obviously the one that was able to do that first was in a better position to be the dominant capital location. So what's amazing about Golden is that it's very small. So Denver's boomed. Denver Metro's got, I think, 2 million plus. Denver itself is 700,000. Golden, due to how it's nestled in between some of these peaks and mountains, is still at 20,000. So very small. If we can get a glimpse there, is the M. And the M is the emblem. It's one of the largest letterings on a mountain. I think Utah has the claim to fame as the biggest or the first. And then the M is here on Mount Zion. And the M is for the Colorado School of Mines, which was also founded in the 1870s, I believe 1873. And this is Washington Ave. This is the main strip. It's a couple blocks. But what we can see actually when I go left is we have to go over a bridge where Clear Creek runs through. And in my last video I had Black Hawk in Central City, as I mentioned, that also has Clear Creek running through it. So the gold deposits were in the mountains, and then they ran down all the way to Golden, so you could follow it all the way up into the mountains. And the creek actually has rafting and is known to be popular for water sports. You can also walk along it. I might take a quick mosey. Rather rapid moving creek. So this is the north side. You go north of the river, you're in the north side of Golden. And we'll go check out 8th and 9th Street. Alright, this is 9th Street. Both 8th and 9th Street are known to have decent working class homes. It's a pretty decent sized one there. There's homes up on the hill over there that are likely to be a bit more impressive as well. So Golden is not named after the gold from the gold rush. It's named after Thomas Golden, one of the earliest settlers and a miner during the time. So pretty bizarre coincidence if you ask me. It was also originally called Golden City, was only renamed to Golden later. Alright, we got 8th Street. Looks like more apartments over here. So we're coming up to Washington Ave. We'll head right back into the heart of Golden, and we'll go up and down 12th Street, the second historical district. 12th Street also has the original legislature building when Golden was the territorial capital. It's still standing. It's obviously not for legislating anymore. So, howdy folks, welcome to Golden, where the West lives. The sign really does welcome you. Alright, so it's maybe this building on my... Oh good, we get a stop sign. So this might be the original legislature building, because those two look newer. So you see the core sign down here. Pretty big factory, pretty big branding. There is a Coors tour. Some folks just bang it out as a bucket list item. Other folks say it's not worth it. If you've done any sort of tours, it's not really worth the bucket list item. We got a good brew place there, barrels and bottles. So the west side, let me get through here. West side is the side that's the historical district, not the side I was just on. Tap house, kitchen, very good, both food and brew. The Astor House is well known. I'll put up a little blip about that. I don't have the details in my brain at the moment. Oh yeah, here you go, more sophisticated buildings. Victorian style. This one's magnificent. Not sure if that guy's in a caricature outfit or if that's how he walks around the streets normally. We'll go check out the School of Mines next, which is a modest sized campus baked right into Golden itself. So Fieldhouse, this is part of the campus as well. All of these buildings, gymnasium there. West Campus Road. I'm not gonna ride up on the campus, although now is probably the time to do that when there's nobody there. So this is what they get to work with. South table, north table. Castle Rock's the obvious peak there. And we have this amazing view. Some more of the School of Mines. You got the gymnasium, front side. Different halls. Open space here. I'd say it's a rather pretty campus. Historic looking buildings. We're going to mosey over to East Street, and then we'll get out of here. There's a sweet homes here. They're freestanding, so they look like legit homes, not townhomes. You get some of the views of the mountains. We're on our way out, so we'll end it here and just let the ride do the rest of the talking.